Looky, looky. Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, all for $1.79 a box. 3-day hot seller, only at Food Line. As you see, I done got me quite a few of them. Got me some Tyson's chicken on sale, whole chicken, $6.26 on sale. They even got some wings today. Now the legs are expensive today. Got some pork chop for $5.46, and we got some manager special Food Line wings, $6.77, $6.32 for a pack of wings. More sales, so bingo. You know what the bingo means? Buy one, get one free. Absolutely.